Hello everyone, welcome back to Brain Bloom. In episode 1, we learned what reservation is and its history. In episode 2, we learned about the constitutional provisions of reservation. Today, we will understand 4 important categories: SC, ST, OBC and EWS. SC, ST, OBC and EWS, we hear these words almost every day. But what do they mean? Why are these categories created? And how are they different? Let's understand everything in very simple language. Scheduled castes, SC means scheduled castes. These are communities that are officially listed as scheduled castes. Historically, many people from these communities faced caste discrimination and social inequality. The Constitution provides special safeguards and opportunities to help their social and educational development. Reservation for SCS is provided in areas such as education, government jobs and political representation, according to applicable rules. Scheduled tribes, ST means scheduled tribes. These are communities officially recognized as scheduled tribes. Many tribal communities have faced difficulties such as lack of access to education, economic opportunities and development. The Constitution provides special safeguards for their development. Reservation for STS is available in areas such as education, government jobs and political representation, according to applicable rules. OBC, other backward classes. OBC means other backward classes. This category includes communities considered socially and educationally backward under the applicable legal framework. OBC reservation is mainly seen in education and government jobs. One important term related to OBC reservation is creamy layer. Under the central rules, some relatively advanced sections within OBC are excluded from reservation through the creamy layer rule. EWS, economically weaker sections. EWS means economically weaker sections. EWS is different from SC, ST and OBC. Here, the main basis is economic condition, subject to the required rules. The 103rd Constitutional Amendment Act, 2019 introduced constitutional provisions for EWS reservation. Under the central system, EWS reservation is for eligible people who are not covered by SC, ST or OBC reservation, subject to the prescribed conditions. So, remember the basic difference: SC caste-based historical disadvantage, ST tribal communities, OBC social and educational backwardness, EWS economic condition. If you are preparing for BPSC, UPSC or any competitive exam, remember these 4 meanings. SC, ST, OBC and EWS are different categories with different criteria and rules. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Brain Bloom. See you in the next episode.